Safety eyewear for healthcare workers in South Africa. Addressing local needs for optimal protection. Introduction. Healthcare workers in South Africa face various occupational hazards that put their eyes at risk. Safety eyewear is crucial in preventing injuries and long-term vision impairment. Common risks include biohazards, exposure to infectious droplets, blood-borne pathogens, and airborne diseases. Chemical exposure, risk of splashes from disinfectants, antiseptics, and medical solutions. Dust and particles, especially relevant in high-risk environments such as emergency wards and rural healthcare settings. UV protection, outdoor healthcare workers require protection from excessive sun exposure. Addressing these local challenges with appropriate PPE enhances safety and ensures compliance with industry standards. Key protection areas. Biohazards, protection from infectious droplets and pathogens. Chemical exposure, shielding against disinfectant splashes. Dust and particles, essential for high-risk environments. UV protection, necessary for outdoor healthcare settings. Essential features of safety eyewear. Anti-fog coating, prevents condensation for clear visibility. Wraparound design, enhances peripheral protection. Lightweight and comfortable fit, reduces strain for extended wear. Impact resistance, ensures durability in medical settings. Compliance and standards. SANS 1404 and EN 166 compliance ensures eyewear meets South African and international safety requirements. Impact and splash resistance, compliance ensures protection against workplace hazards. Optical clarity standards, reduces eye strain and enhances visibility during long shifts. UV protection requirements, essential for outdoor healthcare professionals. Importance of certified PPE, ensures worker safety and regulatory compliance in medical environments. Choosing the right safety eyewear. Consider work environment, hospital, clinic, emergency response. Evaluate comfort and fit for long shifts. Check for durability and ease of cleaning. Contact us for all your PPE needs.